For many small business owners, the process of applying for the EIDL loan or the process of requesting an EIDL loan increase has been difficult. But did you know there are 5 places that you could seek help with your SBA EIDL loan application for free? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. If that is a topic that you like, please subscribe to our channel. Now, many small business owners want to apply for the SBA EIDL loan or want to apply for the increase. And the process has been difficult. And for many, the process can be a little bit tedious, but there is free help available. Now, many people call our office to see if we are providing this as a service. And at this time, Freedomtax Accounting is only providing this service to our monthly accounting services. But there is free help available that even though you are not or your business is not an accounting client of Freedomtax, you can still seek free help with these 5 places that I'm going to show you right now. The first one actually is the SBA itself. The SBA does have local offices all around the US. So Google, checking Google if the SBA has a district office near your business, and they are offering loan help at no cost. The second one is the SBDC, the Small Business Development Centers. These small business development centers, they also have many offices around the US, and they are also providing free help in getting your EIDL loan application done. Now, the third one is an organization called SCORE. SCORE is a nonprofit that helps small businesses grow. Out of all the options, I would say this is my favorite. We have worked with SCORE in the past, and their advisors are top-notch, okay? And SCORE also has a lot of offices around the US, so check in Google to see if SCORE has a local office near your business, and they are also offering free help with your EIDL loan application. Now, if you are a female, the WBDC, the Women's Business Development Centers, they are also providing free assistance on the EIDL loan application if your business is owned by a female. Okay, so once again, you can check Google to see if in your area there is a WBDC office. And the last one is the Veteran Business Outreach Center. Now, this is an organization that helps small businesses that are owned by veterans. And once again, you can check in Google to see if in your area there is a VBOC office near you, and they are also providing free assistance in your EIDL loan application or to get your increase approved. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. Remember that we are a full service accounting firm. Even though we are only providing EIDL loan assistance to our monthly accounting clients, we do offer corporate tax services, personal tax services. If you need to open up an LLC, if you have tax problems, if you need payroll services, we are a full service tax and accounting firm. This is our contact information and our website. Remember that we are part of Freedom Group. We are a group of 4 companies where we do tax accounting, immigration, real estate, insurance, and financial planning. So we can help you in many, many ways. Thank you for watching this video. If you have received value out of this information, please like and share this video with other business owners. And remember that we are praying for you, we are praying for your business, and we are praying for your family. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.